Hello. In this video, we will learn how to transfer data between sheets. I have tables on 3 sheets with the number of pieces in stock for 3 months. In the tables, I track the following data. Number of pieces at the beginning of the month, number of pieces received in stock, number of pieces issued from stock, and the number of pieces at the end of the month. This is done by calculation. What was in stock at the beginning plus receive minus issue. In January, I see that the balance at the end of the month is 50. If I write the value 50 as the beginning of February, I'm not doing it correctly. Why? When I write 200 in the January worksheet in cell B4, the number of pieces at the end of January is recalculated. But the number of pieces at the beginning of February still left the value of 50. This way is very, very wrong. I will do it differently. There are 2 ways. I will show one on the February sheet and the other on the March sheet. On the February sheet, I click in the cell I want to transfer the January data to. I type equals. I click in the January month end status cell and confirm with the Enter key. I see the value 50, but in fact there is a formula, cell B6 from the January worksheet. I also show it in the cell using edit mode. I'm testing. I'm rewriting 200 to 2000. January is recalculated, and in the February worksheet, the value is also automatically changed. The second way is using copying. I select the end of February, Ctrl+C. I select the beginning of March, Ctrl+V. I'm not finished yet, but using the Paste Options button, I select Paste Link. I end each copy, so now 2 with the Escape key. Again, I see, either in the formula bar or even in a cell, that there is a calculation in the cell again. Cell B3 equals cell B6 from the February sheet. I test again. On the January sheet, I change 2000 to 20,000. January is of course recalculated. February is also, and March as well. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.